Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture series of constraint optimization problem. In last lecture we have seen what is convex programming problem. As I told you that if we have minimization type of objective function subjected to less than equals to type constraints. So this is called as convex programming problem if my objective function f and all the constraints are convex. So we have seen some example of convex programming problem, and during the discussion of unconstrained optimization we have discussed how we can find out optimal solution of unconstrained optimization problem. Even in starting we have seen that constraint optimization problems with equality constraint can be solved using Lagrange function. Okay. Now in this lecture we will see KKT condition. What are KKT conditions are, why convex programming problems are important, that all we will discuss in today's lecture. Now if we have our equality type constraint, then we use, for equality we use Lagrange function, Lagrange multiplier method to find out optimal solution of that type of problem. But if you have constraint optimization with inequality type constraints, then we use Karosh-Kuhn-Tucker condition to find optimal solution of such problems. So consider this constraint optimization problem with inequality constraints, minimizing function fx subjected to gix less than equals to 0, where f and gi from Rn to R are defined and assume that they are continuously differentiable function. Okay. Now what a necessary condition. So what problem we are taking now? We are taking minimization fx such that gix constraints are less than equals to type for I from 1 to m. So what is necessary condition? Let x bar be a local minimum point for the given problem at which basic constraint qualification holds. Then there exists a multiplier which is called as KKT multiplier, also lambda I bar, for I from 1 to m such that the following conditions hold. What are the conditions? The first condition is same as your Lagrange condition for the Lagrange multiplier method, and all these conditions are important and we are calling them as KKT conditions. First condition is gradient of fx bar plus summation of I from 1 to m lambda I bar delta gix bar should be equals to 0. The second condition is lambda I bar gix bar should be equals to 0 for all the I. Then gix bar should be less than equals to type. This is feasibility condition. And last is that all the multiplier lambda I bar must be non-negative for all I. Okay, non-negative. So all these conditions are basically called as Karosh-Kuhn-Tucker conditions or KKT conditions, where lambda I bar are called KKT multipliers. In Lagrange multiplier method we have an equality constraint. That's why we do not require lambda I bar or Lagrange multiplier in those problems are non-negative. But here, since our constraints are less than equals to constraints, so here this condition is required that all the multiplier must be non-negative. So this is the necessary conditions, that if a point of local minima, then this condition will always satisfy. Now we come to sufficient condition. If lambda bar and x bar satisfy all the four conditions, necessary condition, and let f and g are differentiable convex function, that is a convex programming problem, because if function f and all gi's are convex, then we call such problem convex programming problem, and here we are assuming that the function and all constraints are convex. Then x bar is the global minimum point of the given problem. So if this condition holds for convex programming problem, then the point x bar and lambda bars which we obtain solve these conditions. So what we have to that of any function f and all the constraints satisfying these four conditions along with f and all gi's are convex, then x bar is which is obtained by solving these conditions is always be a global minimum point of this problem. So there is a sufficient condition, and let us discuss few example based on this. So this is the advantage of our application of convex programming problem, because convex programming problem makes KKT conditions satisfied, sufficient. It is because of convex programming problem, that is function and all gi's are convex, the KKT conditions become sufficient condition. Okay, so these are necessary and sufficient KKT conditions which are used to find out the optimal conditions for given constraint inequality optimization problem. Okay, so that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.